Alright guys, before we get into the video, I want to let you guys know that right now the giveaway is happening for the 350Z on my website, shopfindingnick.com. The way to enter is cop one of these stickers. They're $50 on the website, and that is your entry to win the 350Z. You can win this Z for $50, bro. You can buy as many stickers as you want, as many entries as you want. One sticker is one entry, and there's only 300 stickers on the website. So once these are gone, one lucky winner is gonna win the 350Z for $50. Good luck to everyone. I cannot wait to see who this Z goes to. It's super freaking sick. Brand new wrap, brand new ISR performance exhaust, brand new Conce wheels, NRG steering wheel, carbon fiber hood, brand new headlights, Nismo style front bumper, brand new coilovers too. This car is freaking sick. It's ready to go to a new owner. It's a perfect project car, and I cannot wait till someone grabs this and continues to build. Shopfindingnick.com. I cannot wait, guys. Unfortunately, if you guys are out of the United States, you guys cannot enter the giveaway. I'm sorry. I apologize. It's just gonna make it way harder to get the car transferred to you guys out of the country. And if you guys are in the United States but outside of California, it's up to you to figure out how to get the car to you and your state. But you guys are more than welcome to fly out here, come pick up the car, make a vlog with me for the day. I'll probably have all the homies there, Hugo, David, Jay. You can come out here, make a vlog with us, and pick up your 350Z. But yeah, guys, like I said, 300 stickers are on the website right now, so go right now before they sell out. Every sticker is one entry to win the 350Z. And FYI, the car is not perfect by any means. It's a project car, it's a Project 350Z, and I can't wait to see what someone does with the Z and continues the project car. We'll be announcing the winner on June 13th, guys, 1 month from now, on my Instagram live at FindingNick. So don't miss it, and good luck to everybody. I cannot wait to see who wins the 350Z. Like I said, I really want this car to go to someone that really supports the channel and watches all my videos. It's gonna be so sick to make a whole vlog with you guys and give you guys a Z and see what you guys do with it. I cannot wait, bro. It's gonna be so sick. Definitely a really good project car, bro. I just gotta fix that exhaust leak. I'm gonna fix the exhaust leak for you guys, I promise. And I also gotta fix this windshield for you guys. But like I said, it's a project car, guys. Alright guys, we just made it over here to a car meet now. A long time has passed, like a few hours actually. These meets tend to get a little crazy at the end, so we'll probably see some cool revving and two steps at the end. For now, let's go see if there's any cool cars. My boy Hugo's famous, look at him. Sick ass Hugo lives.
What's everybody doing?
Hugo Cuevas, HC.
Everybody active out here? Motivo?
Amativo? What is that?
Yeah, we're active.
For real?
Yeah.
Película? What's película?
Movie.
We're making a movie! My boy Rock.
Motivo.
Amativo?
It's a tomatillo.
What in the Captain America, Wonder Woman? Oh my god, there's no way. Comment down below, what do you think about that? Sick ass, bro. Oh my god. This thing's nice. All carbon fiber front end. That is fire. See, some people do a little too much. This is very, very clean. Hella clean. Yeah, that color's nice. A Z? If you guys don't know, we giving away my Z. This is your time to get it for $50 on shopfindingnick.com. You can literally win my Z for $50, bro. You can buy as many stickers as you want, as many entries as you want. Each sticker is your entry, and one lucky person is gonna win the Z. Oh my god, he got ran over, bro. I don't know if I caught that.
I barely got the back of my shoe.
Oh,
no way.
He literally ran his shoe over, bro.
Done well?
Compas.
Don't let Peter hear that song. He's gonna start throwing it back.
They took what?
Damn, that Camaro's nice. On welds, front and back. This is fire. Some taquaches? Bro, this thing shoots crazy flames, bro. It was in my other vlog. This shit shoots crazy flames. You got the hood exit. Oh my god, my boy just scraped the whole thing. Freaking way, bro. C8. Seats are sick. Look at the interior. See the sexy. There's no way they're swinging it back here, guys. That's perfect because oh my god, dude. Yeah, but cops are for sure pulling up.
Yeah, they're pulling back here. They're not worrying about it.
Well, I didn't even know there was a whole section over here. That's the car meet. This is where everyone's swinging it. There's really a random parking lot in the back of the car. Uh-oh. One boy had the traction on. No way. Oh, hell no. I'm not getting closer than there, guys. I'm staying way back here, just in case. I don't want to end up on World Star. Oh! Look, that dude's gonna end up on World Star right there. Hugo's over there, look. Hugo's about to get hit. We're gonna see Hugo go flying.
You're gonna see his fucking Crocs go up in there.
Oh, shoot! The boat! Holy crap, something's over there revving. God damn! What's up, bro? I gotta get ready. Bro, that don't even sound good, bro. I don't know. Damn. It sounds like it's hurting the engine, bro. It just sounds like the motor's about to say bye-bye, bro. God damn, those pops were so loud.
That's just so bad.
I told you these beats always get like this, bro.
Where were you at? You were not even with me over here.
I saw you. We were waiting for you to go in the air and get your Crocs flown out.
There's no way.
Imagine you're able to do that too on the E92.
Bro, if I had the E92, I would really be out here doing those probably.
Hi, David. Where you at, bro? Where you at?
Where you at?
We had some ratchet ass meat.
Where you at?
I should have came. I tell you, I always come.
Everyone's all scared. I'm not trying to get smacked by that. Hell no, bro. I'm not gonna get smacked.
The E92 would be sick right here, bro.
You think David will put the F80 in there? You know how mad I'll be if I got smacked by a car and you just see FindingNick going flying?
That would look viral.
Hell no. That was crazy, guys. At least they're not doing it in an intersection. This is a random ass parking lot. Look
It's
at it.
super open. Like,
This is like the perfect place to do it.
if you really get hit out here, you're just, I don't know what
There's nothing for them to hit either. Oh, look how crazy everyone's getting. It definitely doesn't pick up on camera, but that shit is loud. I'm not trying to go over there and beat that, bro. That's just too loud. I thought that was a cop too. Looks like a cop. It's not. Like everyone got scared. My boy really has police lights.
It really does look like a
I've been seeing that guy everywhere lately. And my boy in the Supra is doing a burnout. Oh, I knew it. What did I tell you? Oh, he's gonna go after someone. What did I tell you? And a helicopter came out hot. Bro, who are they going after?
They're blocking the
truck, bro.
We're gonna block him out.
He got caught, look. That sucks, dude. As soon as the cops pull up, everyone just runs to their cars and dips. That sucks though, bro. That's like for sure getting arrested. Getting caught doing the donut. That's my biggest fear, guys. When people tell me to swing it, I'm like, oh, I don't want to get caught. No way, they're still swinging it. Alright guys, we left the meet. Now we're meeting up with the homie Anthro. Now they got an E92 out here? Sheesh. The purple GTR. E92, that shit's so clean. Big old wing. Look how good it sounds. God, I miss the sound. We got Anthro out here.
What's
up, bro?
See you.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too. Damn, that thing's
I've been following
sick.
you for a while.
Oh, really?
What's up, bro?
How are you? Chilling?
Here with
Purple.
here with the Flexi boy, bro. Carbon everything.
If only I had my wraps, it would all be kind of purple. Damn, that shit is fire. Look at this one, guys. TEs, Midnight Purple.
Ease,
I need TEs on. They both got TEs. Then you got the 18s versus like the 20s. But they're both TEs. Oh shoot, that's sick!
I'm telling you, bro. Go flexing, bro. That's
I got the light up GTR logo. I've never seen that, bro.
Like 1 minute. This is a black and red wire.
Oh, sick.
Damn, I gotta do that. That'll be sick. Look at our basic ass logos.
The shop connected to my.
Those are beats?
So, bro.
Guys, you know a fun fact? He's the one who makes all the beats for the vlogs. Every single beat you guys hear in the vlogs is made by him.
Hit me up.
That's crazy, y'all. Nah, for real, those are beats. If you need any beats, I'm about to spit some bars. But yeah, that's crazy. He sends me all those beats that you hear in my vlogs, guys. All the cinematic videos. Maybe the beat behind this right now while I'm talking is made by him. This is nice, huh? I think it's like my ear, but he has a whole new rear bumper. Look at that, Nismo bumper. That's the Nismo bumper, right?
This one's the top secret.
Oh, top secret. Damn. That shit's expensive, huh?
Kind of, because it's a shit ton of pieces.
I think it's also top secret, all carbon. Mine doesn't have any of this, bro. Damn, sick.
Ass is just 9 days,
Yeah,
bro.
yours like
What?
fucking rounded.
Yeah, this is like a round, like, you know, just
that's a
class.
good
This that
one.
BBL.
This is the
that, like-
BBL, yeah.
BBL right there?
Yeah.
I know, it makes ours look so basic, bro.
Fuck, I should have parked forward, bro.
Guys, you guys gotta hear Anthro's car. The turbos are so much louder than mine. With the bigger turbos. Look how crazy the taillights look. How do I still fanboy and have a home? This sounds crazy. I never get to see mine drive, so. Oh my
until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.